Flying a helicopter in this environment is probably one of the greatest places in the world to fly.
A helicopter pilot in this type of environment is always thinking about the wind and what it's doing.
You know what, wind's just swirling too much here. Just, you know, on approach, you keep bumping up into my yellow when we're just two people. Let's keep going, guys, and find another spot.
Flying in this environment is pretty unique. The scale of the terrain is huge.
My flying experiences usually begin about a week before by watching the weather, seeing what the patterns have been, if we're in a dry pattern or wet pattern, or if it's springtime, we're going to be dealing with a lot of winds.
The thing with York and I, we've come here before, we explored it, we knew that you guys, we were going to bring you safety, of course, as number one. And we came and explored a place where we could fit the helicopters, a place that had the space, checked out the winds the day before. And we came in here light before. So we've come in just with the heli, one or two people max, before we brought in the weight. These helicopters speak for themselves. I think the 125 that I fly, I sort of liken it to the Ford pickup truck.
Social media from the very beginning for me has been a way to share your experiences with other people from your perspective.
The content I like to share is to try to just get a general understanding and to show what is possible within general aviation and specifically in the helicopter world, and put that out there for people to enjoy and then hopefully inspire them to get their pilot's license.
On Instagram, we were kind of following each other for a couple of years, right?
Yeah.
So we're like, okay, he does cool things. Let's get together.
All these relationships, everybody here I've met through social media. The aviation world on social media is pretty small, and I've loved it. I mean, it's been great. I've got multiple friendships now that will last a lifetime.
Yeah, I thought those might be pretty cool to go check out. York over to the ridge, go forward. This is the next one. Taking up second position there. Matt, copy that. We should all just find a spot and shut down for a minute. Yes, please. Man, your helicopter looks so cool right there. A guy needs a really cool gap to fly through right ahead of me. Look at that, look at that. Just look at it, just look at it.